Hi guys, I can only make basic CC for now, because the effect given is not much, and only part of it is suitable for me to use. The settings are also not detailed yet. The example is the exposure effect. On the gamma the distance is too far. If you use a light motion, you can set it in more detail. I think exposure effect is an important part for CC. This example looks pale and unclear. You just need to add exposure effect and a little color tune. We'll make it more colorful. But that doesn't mean the CC on Ava is bad. You can combine with other effects, and you can get good results. First, create a project with a black background. Add AMV to be added CC. I just cut out the unimportant part. Add adjustment layer. Adjust layer duration. Use adjustment layer to add effect. First, add exposure effect. Add vignette effect. Add color curves effect. You can follow my settings. Add effects optics compensation. Add sharpen effect. Follow me to make like black bar.